when you discussed before that there are multiple challenges when an organization decides to adopt GenAI solutions, right?
Yeah.
So if I ask you to point out three major challenges, what would be those three major challenges?
Uh, First thing I would say, top priority is the security,
Okay.
because there are so much of data coming in and going out every day in those systems or the servers. Simply putting a LLM there, LLM layer between that, and giving access to a LLM, because so much of hallucination going on even in the LLMs, because it hallucinates. Ultimately, it's a system, and it's a pre-trained data. It's not their company. It is trained on the legacy data. It's nothing like that. It's a generic data, so it is trained on that. So that is one issue I would say. No proper guardrails for the LLM. That's one security issue we have. And second major issue would be the talent or the skill gap to set up those servers, to set up LLM there, and to set up behavior of the LLM and restrictions.
Mm-hmm.
So we need so much of skill and talent there. That is the second priority. And third thing comes is the leadership or the management, how well they are equipped uh, to adopt this, because it comes at a higher cost. It's not something cheap and we can simply integrate it tomorrow. It's not like that. We need a
Correct.
proper roadmap and proper financial status, like how slowly we can implement, or what is the computation power that we need for our company or our system or our server. So these are the three challenges I see as of now.
If in case we address these challenges, right, if I pick up the second challenge, that the skill enhancement or the skill issue, how do you think this particular challenge can be addressed? What would be the best way out for that?
Yeah, the again I see there are two ways. One thing is Gen AI is not something new. Again, it boils down to basic engineering. Uh, People who are there in the company, who knows the legacy systems, who knows the architecture, they can help here, because everything is open in today's date. Because companies who build LLMs themselves are coming out and giving out the documentation and giving out the tutorials how to use it for every use case. So adopting that, and people who they want to train on this should be eager. That is one key
Mm-hmm.
factor. They should have mindset that, hey, AI will replace me. However, no, it is not going to replace. You are there it to control. That is your job.
Mm-hmm.
So that mindset should be there, and keeping that mindset, and pretty much everything is open in today's date. And having the legacy data, knowing about the legacy architecture and knowing about the new architecture that is coming up, uh, merging these two would make more sense for the skill or the talent that they need to set up these LLMs. And it's not a rocket science anyway.